Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because what you're about to witness is not just a car. It's an absolute fever dream on four wheels. Straight out of Los Angeles, the mad geniuses at RDB LA have unleashed something that looks like it was forged in the depths of a volcanic luxury lab. Say hello to the Mansory Venatus Widebody Lamborghini Urus Performante. And yes, it's as insane as it sounds. This beast is bathed in crimson glory, dripping with forged carbon fiber like it's allergic to being subtle. Forget blending in. This Urus was born to break necks and shatter expectations. RDB LA didn't just slap on some body panels. They transformed the Performante into a rolling work of unhinged exotic art. They did the paint, they did the kit, and they didn't hold back. Underneath all that madness, this thing has the potential to crank out 900 horsepower. That's right, 900, launching you from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. That's not a car, that's a missile in designer shoes. Top speed, 201 miles per hour. Translation, don't blink or it's gone. Step inside, and it's a white leather paradise, as if this monster needed a dose of calm to balance the chaos on the outside. And while we don't know if this particular Urus has the full power upgrade, honestly, it already looks like it could outrun a thunderstorm. Still not your flavor? RDB's got more for your ultra-luxury appetite. A white-on-white Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport, a baby blue Ferrari Puro Sangue with Novatec's full madness, and a Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 riding on 26-inch RDB wheels that could probably stop traffic in 3 states. So tell us, are you Team Venatus madness, or is your heart racing for one of the other RDB monsters? One thing's clear. In the world of extreme luxury, RDB LA isn't just playing, they're rewriting the game.